Live commerce is blowing up in India right now. So what's the real story behind this boom?
It's simple, really. You get the fun of live video with the ease of online shopping, all at once. Well, it's this perfect mix of tech, people, and market trends. Let's break it down. Okay, first up, the foundation. This whole thing is built on some serious tech that's been years in the making. You've got cheap smartphones, fast internet, and easy digital payments. That's the perfect recipe for this to just take off. And just like that, all those old barriers to shopping online, gone. It became super easy for millions. But look, tech is only one piece of the puzzle. The human connection, that's where the real magic happens. We're talking about India's creator economy. These influencers are the new, trusted faces of shopping. And it's a huge deal. We're talking an industry projected to be worth over $2.5 billion. Exactly. It feels like a recommendation from a friend, not some ad. That's the secret sauce for building trust. And this isn't just a big city thing. Live commerce is reaching deep into India's smaller towns, too. By speaking local languages, shopping feels way more personal, relatable, and trustworthy to a whole new audience. And that's the key, right? It directly tackles the biggest hurdle in Indian e-commerce, building trust. Yeah, instead of static photos, you get live demos and Q&As. This builds huge confidence and means fewer returns. All right, let's talk about the final piece of the puzzle, the market drivers pushing all this forward. Think about it. Indians already love online video, so shopping through video, it just feels completely natural. And it's the younger crowd, Gen Z and millennials, who are all over this. They want an experience, not just a checkout. This whole interactive setup creates the perfect storm for a powerful psychological trigger. That's right, FOMO. Limited time deals and flash sales trigger that powerful impulse to buy now. And it's not just startups. Big brands and small businesses alike are jumping on this. It's a game changer. So, what's the big takeaway? This is way more than just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift. It's not just shopping anymore. It's shoppertainment. The line between buying and being entertained is completely vanishing. So you see, it's this perfect storm of digital access, creator culture, and, well, how we all behave as consumers. Which leaves us with a pretty big question. Is all online shopping eventually going to become shoppertainment?